Title: Introducing the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester, Accurate and Reliable Engine Diagnostic Script. Visual: a mechanic using the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester on an engine. Narrator: the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester is a professional-grade tool designed to measure the compression pressure in internal combustion engines accurately. Built with durability and precision in mind, this compression tester is an essential tool for automotive technicians, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts. Visual: close-up of the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester. Narrator: the JCTR10 is made from robust materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability, even in demanding automotive environments. It features a high-precision gauge that provides accurate readings, allowing users to assess engine health and diagnose potential issues effectively. Visual: a mechanic looking at the gauge on the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester. Narrator: with a measurement range of 10-29/32 inches, the JCTR10 can be used on a variety of engines, making it a versatile tool for both small and large engines. The large, easy-to-read gauge ensures clear and accurate readings, making it convenient for users to interpret the results quickly. Visual: a mechanic using the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester on an engine. Narrator: the Proto JCTR10 is designed with a comfortable handle, providing a secure grip and reducing hand fatigue during use. It's a reliable and accurate tool for measuring engine compression, making it an indispensable tool for automotive professionals and enthusiasts alike. Visual: the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester in a toolbox. Narrator: invest in the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester and experience the confidence of knowing that your engine is performing at its best. Visual: the Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester logo. Narrator: Proto JCTR10 Compression Tester, Accurate and Reliable Engine Diagnostics.